Hi, my name is Adnan Hasbi and welcome to the Funny Finance Guy. In today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about whether one should invest in AirAsia as the stock did dip this Monday. It was trading at 74 cents and right now the opening price was 74 cents and the price closed on Monday at 72 cents. So the question is whether one should invest in this stock. Before that, allow me to just do a quick recap for those that missed the previous episodes on AirAsia and what I said about the company. Number one, I said that the AirAsia stock may have a volatile stock price. And one of the reasons why with the COVID, not many people will know what will happen. This is something very new that's happening around the world. And there are so many countermeasures against this current pandemic. That's the first thing. The second thing is I mentioned in one of my previous episodes was that AirAsia gave their first quarter results. And to recap, the first quarter results were not too favorable. And on top of that, the auditors also gave an audit report statement which says material uncertainty towards the company's going concern, which basically says that they're not too favorable on the company operation moving forward, or they don't see that much of continuity in the company's operations moving forward. So those were the things which I said in my previous few episodes on AirAsia, and we could see that during that time the stock price did quite take a small beating. Having said that, I did also say in one of my previous episodes that the company was looking towards increasing they want to increase their capital, or the company is looking towards raising some capitals for their overall operation, whereby we suddenly see a rebound in stock price. Okay, so this coming Monday, as I mentioned, stock price opened at 74 cents, right now it's 72 cents. So this is my small take on it. And I think one of the reasons why the stock price took a small dip was that if we look at the COVID cases, on Sunday, it was 15 cases. And on Monday, it was 21 cases, right? So Sunday itself, the numbers were double digits. Kind of scary, right? So the opening was 74 cents. And then the news that the COVID cases rose to 21 cases, right? And then the stock price took a small beating. And then there was the announcement at 4 p.m., which basically, in summary, says that should the COVID cases increase, the government may reintroduce certain tight measures towards people's movement. Okay, so we saw the small beating in the stock price. So the next question is whether anyone should enter at this point in time. The short answer of it all is no one knows. If I knew, I would be a millionaire already. Okay, but these are some of my takeaways. Number one, if we look, should the COVID numbers increase in the coming days ahead, that will be a negative catalyst towards the travel industry as a whole, and it could put downward pressure on the stock price. And should the COVID cases reduce, that will have the opposite effect. So in the next coming days ahead, I know some of the subscribers over here are investors for the AirAsia stock. And as you guys know, I'm not the best and I'm not the polished doing live shows, but I had the urgency to tell you guys this news. So Monday, we saw the stock price drop. What should one do? Keep looking at the COVID case numbers. Should it continue to increase, that could be a catalyst for the government to introduce some lockdown measures. Should the government introduce some lockdown measures, not the best situation for the airlines. However, should these COVID numbers reduce, it would be a positive catalyst for the company. And like I said, no one knows at this point in time, but they found new clusters. And on top of that, as we know, some people report themselves and some people don't report themselves. It's a very hazy situation. So what I want to say over here is that the stock price will continue to be volatile. So I'm going to tell you guys this: buyers beware. Should you invest in the stock, know that it's going to move down, up for the next couple of days. So I know some of you guys are investors, and I just want to tell you guys what may happen. That way, we as a family can make money together. On another note, I'm going to have another episode sometime this week. As you guys know, one of my examples was Perak Transit. And I did a little mock walkthrough on how to buy a stock. If you look at Perak Transit today, when I bought it, it was 18 cents. I think right now it's about 21 or 22 cents, I'm not sure, which gave me a positive return of about 16.7% in 1 month. So it goes to show you don't need that much capital to make money in the stock market. All you need is to have good information out there. And I think with a lot of people maybe not traveling on air, I don't know whether people are going to travel by bus. But I actually took a position much earlier and I kind of made a bit of money. And maybe within this week or next week, I'll be shooting out another episode on how to sell stocks. So stay tuned. And yeah, and with that, I wish you guys good luck in your investments. And tomorrow, look at the COVID case numbers. See what may arise. And then take a position then on. With that, good night, guys, and have a good rest. And good luck in your investing. Take care.